Hi students, good morning, have a good day, nice to meet you. Dear students, welcome in online class session standard 12th subject of Science first. We have started the Bajra crop from previous two lectures, okay. In Bajra crop, we also see that is its economical point, its basic information, its ecological part, that is the soil and climate required. Then today we will be discussing about which type of the varieties of the bajra which is suitable for the drought as well as a rainfall condition, as well as a hybrid condition, or as well as a irrigated condition. Means all type of varieties are released by various institutions as well as research stations by the agricultural institutes, research institutes. Okay. In those varieties, which varieties are involved? Today we will be discussing about it. Okay. So let's start about the varieties of bajra. So first we will be discussing the local varieties. You know what is the difference between local improved varieties and in hybrid varieties, because I have told 2 to 3 times in previous crops, that is the jawar and in the paddy field. Okay, so it is nothing but the local crop, means farmers those yield which are stored for 1 year, and these seeds are useful for another or next year sowing, that is called as a local variety. Means it has not any process for the sowing purpose, so it is called as a local or improved variety. Improved is in that of the local species which is the best, that is called as a local improved varieties. Okay, so which is the local improved varieties? First we see that is a N2815. This is the first variety. Then second variety, that is the Pusamoti. Okay. Third variety N74. Okay. Then another variety, that is a very popular variety ICTP 803. Fourth variety locally improved ICTP 8203. This is a very big and popular variety of bajra. Then next variety 5 ICMS 7703. This is also most popular variety. This is the local improved varieties of bajra. Then next variety BJ104. Then CJ104. Seventh variety, that is the CJ104. Next variety, eighth improved variety WCC 75. This is the all local improved varieties of bajra. N28, Pusamoti, N74, ICTP 8023, ICMS 7703, then BJ104, CJ104, and WCC 75. These all are the local improved varieties of bajra. Then next we will see the hybrid varieties of bajra. Hybrid variety. What is the procedure for developing the hybrid variety? I have said many times. It is a hybrid variety is nothing but the combination of two various varieties. Combination of two varieties or mixing of two varieties, and third variety which is released, that is called as a hybrid variety. Okay. In that, due to recombination, due to the recombination, seed genetic characters have changed due to the mixing of the genetic characters, like darkness, then its size of grain, its quality are different due to the mixing or recombination of two genes. Okay, this is the release procedure of hybrid varieties of any crop. Okay, Then which is the hybrid variety? First variety hybrid, that is the HB1. HB1 is the first hybrid variety of bajra. Second, that is the HB3. HB3. Okay. Third variety is NHB4. Third one, which variety? NHB4. Then NHB5. Fourth variety, that is the NEHB5. Okay. Then NHB10. Fifth variety NHB10. Okay. Then next, which is important, highly popularized the variety due to its basic characters RH-RBH 8609. This is a very big and popular varieties of bajra. Similar, that is the ICTP 8023 or RH-RBH 8603. This is the most popular varieties out of these varieties of bajra. Okay. So this is the varieties part. In long questions or major questions, for the 4-mark question, you ask the package characteristics of bajra. Then you can write its basic information, its economic use. Since all these parts are discussed about the bajra crop, this all part you can write thing in a proper manner. Then and then you will achieve the 4 out of 4 marks. Okay. As well as varieties are asked in practical exam. Identify the specimen and give its proper varieties. Then tell me about the varieties of bajra in oral question. This type of questions asked me many times asked in the exam pattern. Okay. Next, that is a varieties question asked also in any competitive exam. It is a very important because in agricultural sector mostly asked question on this variety of crop. So varieties are the factual, so you can easily memorize, but you can read repeatedly and get its mark easily. Okay. The next point. What is the next point? That is the preparation of land. Preparation of land. First we will select the varieties of the crop for according to our land as well as the irrigation condition. We select the varieties depending on the land condition, climatic condition as well as the soil type. Then we prepare preparation of land for the sowing purpose. Okay. Next procedure, that is the preparation of land. Preparation of land, in that every crop you have not necessary to write the particular point, but in that you remind that or recall that preparation in the procedure of preparation of land, mostly plowing. After the harvesting of previous crop, deep plowing is almost required. Then 1 to 2 harrowings are required for the clod crushing and for the preparation of fine seed bed. Okay. So this is the all similar points are occurred in all the crops. In that, the land is prepared by one plowing with iron plow. What is the first procedure? The land is prepared. The land is prepared by one plowing with iron plow. Mostly nowadays use the iron plow for plowing purpose because wooden plow has not used in these days due to the of the technology and easily achieve the target, so we can use the iron cloud for plant. Okay. Next, the clouds are allowed to remain in the field during summer months. Second point. What is the second point? The clouds are allowed to remain. कशासाठी ठेवले जातात बघा? The clouds are allowed to remain. कशासाठी? Allowed to remain in the field. In field during summer months. After the plowing of field, then you see that the clouds are formed. In which days? Summer months. During the summer months. What is the reason behind? Its reason is very easy or very simple. That is, the clouds are formed due to the less moisture in soil space. Okay, so clouds are formed. Clouds means nothing but in Marathi that is called as a ढेकूळ. आपण काय म्हणतो, मातीचा जो एक घनाकृती तयार होतो त्याला आपण सॉलिड गोळा तयार होतो त्याला आपण क्लाउड्स असं म्हणतो. आणि ते कशामुळे तयार होतात? मातीतील मॉइश्चर कमी झाल्यामुळे मातीचे पार्टिकल एकमेकांना चिकटून बसतात, घट्ट होतात, त्याच्यामुळे क्लाउड्स फॉर्म होतात. अँड आफ्टर द रेन कम्स the clouds are break down due to the heavy rain attack on the soil particles, and if rains occurs on the clouds, then these are break down into small particles. This is called as cloud formation stage and cloud breaking stage. When the first rain received, it is harrowed for 2 to 3 times. बघा, एक क्लाउड फॉर्म झाल्यानंतर आणि पाऊस पडल्यानंतर if first rain comes, पहिला पाऊस झाल्यानंतर इट इज हॅरोड. ते लँड आपल्याला काय करायचे आहे? हॅरोड म्हणजे आपण कुळवणी करणार आहोत. हॅरोड 2 to 3 times. What is the requirement for 2 to 3 times? Because land becomes very fine and very for the preparation of sowing purpose. So we will take the 1 to 2 harrowings or 2 to 3 harrowings in the field. Then next, 8 to 10 ton FYM application of manures for the maintaining soil health as well as the crop yield. Okay, why we can use? That is the maintaining health of the soil as well as the nutrient availability to the crop in maintained condition. 8 to 10 ton FYM ची किती ऍप्लिकेशन करायचं आहे? 8 to 10 ton per hectare application in the field and mixed in the soil by giving harrowing. बघा, 8 ते 10 टन FYM हे काय करायचं आहे? Mix with soil and take a one harrowing. Okay, काय करायचं आहे? By giving harrowing. मिक्सिंग कशामुळे होणार आहे? जमिनीच्या वरून आपण एकदा नांगर फिरवल्यानंतर किंवा कुळवणी फिरवल्यानंतर ती मिक्स होणार, इझिली मिक्स होणार. दिस इज द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ लँड बिफोर द सोईंग. ओके, पेरणी अगोदर आपल्याला जमिनीची मशागत करणं गरजेचं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर आहे सेकंड पॉईंट, दॅट इज अ सीड ट्रीटमेंट. If you complete the procedure of preparation of land, then you will wait for some time for the sowing. कशासाठी वेटिंग कशासाठी करतो आपण? सॉइल मध्ये मॉइश्चर कंडिशन व्यवस्थित असावी म्हणून पाऊस पडण्याची वाट बघतो आणि त्याच्यानंतर काय करतो? पाऊस पडल्यानंतर पीक पेरणी करताना त्याच्यावरती पेरणीच्या अगोदर काय करतो? सीड ट्रीटमेंट करतो. म्हणजे पेरणीच्या बियावरती बीज प्रक्रिया करतो. आता इन प्रिवियस जवार क्रॉप as well as the paddy crop, I have told about the seed treatment procedure. It is nothing but the application of chemical on seed for the prevention of soilborne diseases. Okay, diseases are based on fungal diseases. Okay, so it is a very clear purpose to apply the chemicals for seed at the time of sowing for the prevention of disease. Okay, and also another approach is to apply the seed treatment, that is enhance the nitrogen fixing ability to the crop by the application of biofertilizers. So we can treat the seed by the biofertilizer. Various biofertilizers available in the market for a specific crop or specific family crop. Okay. Then seeds are treated with brine water solution. It is a very important seed treatment in Bajra and Jawar. So keep in always mind that is a brine solution treatment you ask in the short note type of the question. This is a specific for the Bajra. So this is a very important seed treatment. That is a seed treated with. याच्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं? Seed treated with 20% brine water solution. 20% brine water solution. Brine water solution before sowing. पेरणीच्या अगोदर आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? 20% brine water solution treatment. It is nothing but take a 1 liter of water or take a 10 liter of water in 200 gram salts are dissolved, and in that water your sowing purpose seeds are deep down. After 2 to 3 minute waiting, you see that some seeds are floating above the water due to its less weight, and it is said that floating seeds are very debarred, or we can say that is a waste seed in that sowing seeds. बघा, पाण्याच्या वरचे जे तरंगत असणारे जे बिया आहेत त्या आपण काढून टाकतो, कारण त्या बिया काय असतात, एम्प्टी किंवा पोकळ असतात, त्या उगवू शकत नाहीत, उगवण क्षमता कमी करतात, म्हणून ते आपण 20% brine water solution करतो. दिस इज द brine water solution treatment. बघा, brine water solution is prepared by dissolving common or salt in 200 gram per liter of water. That is if you take a 10 liter water, then you take a 2 kg salt, and if you take a 1 liter water, then you can take a 200 gram of salt. Okay, this is the 20% brine water solution. Seeds are dipped in the solution, and this is the grain seeds which are float on surface. This is the grain seed असतात, म्हणजे जे रोगट झालेले असतात ते पाण्याच्या वरती तरंगतात, which is float on the surface of water, and these are removed. The healthy seeds which accumulate at the bottom of the bucket are taken out. काय करायचं आहे? ते पाण्याच्या खाली किंवा तळाखाली जे बसलेले आहेत, तळाला जे बसलेले आहेत, ते सीड्स आपण घ्यायचे आणि ते सोइंग पर्पज साठी वापरायचे. These seeds are washed up tap water and dried in shade and used for sowing. काय करायचं आहे? डायरेक्ट आपण ते सीड कलेक्ट करायचे, डायरेक्ट पेरायचे नाही, तर त्याला काय करायचं आहे? Treated seeds, salt treated seeds are harmful, so we can again wash it by the tap water, means normal water, and take down the seeds and go to the in shade area, जिथं सावली आहे तिथं जायचं आणि त्या एरियामध्ये सावलीमध्ये ते बिया वाळवायच्या आणि नंतर त्या पेरणीसाठी वापरायच्या. दिस इज अ व्हेरी इझी treatment procedure. This treatment is given for control of earthworm disease. Very important question. This brine solution treatment for which disease of the crop? This is a very important and many times asked question in your exam, 12th exam as well as in competitive exam. Brine water solution treatment in Bajra is applied for the controlling of dash disease. That is the answer is the ergot disease of Bajra. This is the caused due to the one fungus, Fusarium species fungus, and this fungus is very harmful because if you attack this disease of the crop, then its yield become very less. So it is a very harmful disease. So we can try to control the disease by the application of 20% brine water solution. Okay, this is the seed treatment for the ergot disease. Okay, and sowing time generally Bajra sown in Kharif season. So sowing time is nothing. Sowing time always keep in mind that is the last week of June. Last week of June. Last week of June to third week of July. Because its time is very variable because due to the availability of rainfall and proper environmental conditions. This is the proper timing for getting a maximum yield for the Bajra crop. This is the proper sowing time in Kharif season, last week of June to the third week of July. This is the proper sowing time for the Bajra crop. Okay. So this point today we will see. Remaining part we will discussing in the next lecture. Thank you.